Okay, so let me show you. I'm being pre-weighed on the interstate while I'm driving, and then I've got a sign sitting on my right hand side saying truck bypass weigh station. I'm empty at the moment, and that's why it's telling me bypass the weigh station, because I'm empty. I've been pre-weighed. Should I have been loaded, they would have put a sign up that says truck enter scale. So if you look at the right hand side here, you'll see here's the scale, weigh station entry. Or what they normally do is, you've got a pre-pass in a truck that sits there on the window, and it's got a little light. As you get to it, to the pre-pass site, it either shows you green to go bypass the scale, or it shows red, you have to enter the scale. If it doesn't show anything, then you enter the scale, or you look at the sign on the side of the road. So I've just bypassed the scale on my way to the next loading point.